Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making yummy noodles. Capsicum 100 grams, any color, cut into thin slices. Carrot, big size carrot half, onion half, Japanese noodles 100 grams. Soak in hot water for 10 minutes. In a wok, oil 2 tablespoons, boneless chicken 200 grams, cook until changes color. Now add all veggies. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add salt as per taste. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Hot sauce 1 tablespoon. Pepper powder optional. Mix everything. Now add cooked noodles. Mix everything. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.